Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video and also follow the page. So Gogo Maweni reveals that she had an altercation with a client who is pregnant and came to her to perform an evil ritual which is called Isqito or Isnyama, but she is pregnant. So she said that she refused to perform the ritual because she knows the effects of her muti. She says her muti are strong and dangerous, so she doesn't want the baby that the woman is carrying to be affected by her evil doings because muti are dangerous like that. They could end up the muti could end up affecting the unborn baby, you guys, and turn him into something else. Maweni says that she does not do anything evil that's associated with pregnant ladies because babies are innocent. So this is her explaining and giving context to the stories. Please watch and engage with me down in the comment section. Also subscribe and follow the page.
Okay, hello. Just a quick one. I don't want to be long. So guys, I have a little issue. I don't know whether to call it an issue. I know when you guys think of a Gogo Maweni, you think like, ooh, you know, such a horrible person, likes all the dark side, likes doing whatever. Now I have an issue, okay? I do not do any bad things when the client is pregnant, because I had an altercation where a client came and she wanted Ogwenza Isqito, but she's pregnant. I cannot put that child's life in danger because of your selfish reasons and wanting to do certain things. I will never allow that. The child did nothing wrong, and I know ukuthi imithi yami injani, imithi yami iyamosha if I have to take that route. So the client did not understand that I was simply saying, ukuthi, you can come back when you've given birth. Now, I don't care who you are. I don't care how much money you have. I don't care, you know, if you can go to other healers. And yeah, if other healers agree to doing those things, then go to them. I'm not that healer, and I'm not going to agree to that. The child is a pure, innocent soul who has nothing to do with your fuckery, okay? And by all means, if you are willing to wait until you give birth and then you want to interact in whatever ways that you wish to do towards whoever who has harmed you or who has hurt you, and I'm able to assist, then I will assist. But if you are pregnant, ladies, there are certain things that you're not supposed to be doing. If you're pregnant, there's certain mutis that you're not supposed to be touching because you are pregnant. Respect the pregnancy, respect the child, respect the gift that you are carrying and the life that you're carrying. Don't be selfish and do things because of your own selfish nature, and then you give birth to a child that has issues. Who are you going to blame? Who are you going to blame? Ngoba wena upregnant uhamba mathuna, upregnant ubhizushisa ithombe zabantu ngemithi yesichitho, upregnant ubhizulaita amakhandlela amnyama namakhandlela a red namanaliti. I can't condone that, and I will never condone that. I just don't understand why people would always think I'm always on the dark side of things and do not think that I use my brain to think. The child did nothing wrong. Hence, I keep saying, guys, there's a certain time to do certain things, specific dates to do certain things, specific emotions to do certain things. But when you are pregnant, there are things that you cannot touch because you'll be affecting and inflicting harm on the baby that you're carrying. So please respect my views. And if you feel that I am not a good healer for you and there's somebody else who's willing to destroy your child's life for you to get joy in doing whatever you want to do, then please, by all means, go to them.